Today's home has a 360 view around me, gated courtyard for privacy, and you gotta see the living spaces here. Really, let's go explore. Right away, as you walk in the front door and you look out, you see this massive wall of windows from the kitchen all the way to the living room, looking out over the mountains. The back patio has an outdoor seating area, which is perfect for evenings. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. 2 of the bedrooms have their own private entrance, meaning that guests can come over and not feel like they're intruding all the time. I'm JR. Our team's goal is to give a 5-star real estate experience here in Redding, where the world wants to live.